It's going down. Smoke game, smoke show, dog. What's up?
I guess we're gonna hand the reins over to her. Strong. We got another episode of the Smoke Show. This is season 2, episode 2. We're downtown East Austin. We got Rum and Tatsuya right behind me. Cross streets, we got Cisco right here. We are at my boy Kyle's spot, Rollin Smoke. So I've been to Rollin Smoke more times than I've been to any other barbecue spot in Austin. Real shit. So honestly, it's my #1 recommended spot. When you're right downtown and people ask me where should we go get some barbecue, I say shoot over to the east side. Man, he always got the bomb specials, quick and easy. You know, it's always he's fast, he's legit. Let's go check it out. Come on. So, man, what a fucking spread, huh?
Yes, sir.
We're here with my boy Kyle, a.k.a. The Warden,
A.K.A.
in the building.
Yeah.
Rollin Smoke, East Side, baby. Honestly, my #1 recommended spot. You know how many times I've been here? About 3,000 plus.
About a million.
About a million. So what we working with today?
We got those
Man.
good stock brisket. We got some local Holmes chicken split halves, carne asada, nothing but a G thing burrito.
What's in that? What's in the
smoked mac and cheese in there?
In the G thing?
Smoked mac and cheese, carne asada, some onion, cilantro, not cilantro, some onion, some verde sauce, a little of our chipotle cream sauce. And then we also have our carnitas tacos here, pit smoked carnitas, our verde sauce, cilantro, onion, and some Oaxaca cheese. And our classic smoked mac and cheese with our spicy slaw here. And yeah, a little spicy beef sausage. And
looking on.
Ladybird sauce and our smoked verde sauce if you guys want some barbecue or some sauce.
Man, look at that burn in right there, boy. That is money. Look at that thing. So that's that Carne G burrito,
Carne G thing that inspired the sausage and everything.
Mm.
It's a burrito fried in smoked beef tallow, so it kind of turns into a chimichanga at that point.
Wow. What's on point as always?
Yeah.
We're going to get down with the get down now.
All right,
had to burn in.
Both worlds, you know.
Man.
I'll get a good slice of fatty rest.
I see the lean under there too.
Yeah,
looking right.
Some good looking lean.
Mm-hmm.
Still got a little moisture to it.
Burn ends on point. I know how you do everything else is going to be the same way.
Yeah.
I've been in here, man, more than 3 years. Dozens and dozens of times. Everything's always spot on, man.
Yes, sir.
Good shit. We about to get at it.
Boom.
Man, we got the carnitas taco going down.
Get it. Oh yeah, I like that cheese. You want to have the cheese hanging out of your mouth? Who's fucking with that taco? Who's fucking with that taco?
That's fire right there.
Nobody.
Nobody. Another great day at the smoke show on the road. Here, my boy Kyle. here on the east side,
Yes, sir.
downtown Austin, man. I'm telling you, my #1 recommended spot. If you're in Austin, downtown area, you can get right here, shoot to the east side. You know, you got the seating outside, sun's out. Even if it's raining and shine, they still grinding, baby.
Yes, sir.
You know,
That's the
smoke's always rolling
damn-
down
that's the damn
here.
truth right there.
You know,
Yeah.
so come on down to the east side, baby.
We out here.
Yep. Till next time, peace out from Matt Leon Smoke Show. Smoke game strong.
Peace
Rollin
out.
smoke. We out.
Yes, sir. Deuces.